Let me teach you how to get an unfair advantage against Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. This secret that I'm about to show you, 99% of people don't know about. And guess what? It don't matter if you have a collection, a charge off, a bankruptcy, eviction, student loans with late payment, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna break down a specific strategy that's gonna help you remove those accounts without you waiting 7 to 10 long years for it to fall off. So sit back, relax. I'm gonna show you how to do this. So you can't fix what you can't see. So this is one of the important steps for you to leverage the strategy that I'm going to show you. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is go to, you're going to go over to hiddencreditreport.com. 99% of people don't even know this exists. All right. So you're going to go to hiddencreditreport.com, and then it's going to bring you to Smart Credit, and it costs $1 to sign up. And you want to keep this active, okay? It's very important. And then from there, what you're going to do is click on, once you log in, you're going to click on reports, okay? Everything's going to make sense once I show you. You're going to click on reports. You're going to click on 3 bureau reports and scores, okay? And then you're going to click on switch to classic view. See, most people don't even know this button exists, right? So you're going to click on switch to classic view. Now from there, you're going to see all the accounts on your report. The open accounts, the closed accounts. Now, what we want to do is screenshot every single negative account on your report. So the collection, the charge off, the bankruptcy, the eviction, the repossession. You want to screenshot every single account on your report, okay? Make sure you grab all the information with the payment history to screenshot it, okay? And then, so now what you're going to do, you're going to go over to ChatGPT, right? Or whatever AI thing that you use, okay? And then you're gonna grab the screenshots, okay? Click on this button, add photos, upload it, right? Then you're gonna put, I'm gonna have this prompt below for you. So you're gonna put this prompt. You're gonna tell ChatGPT to act like a credit repair expert with 20 plus years and find violations or according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act and Metro 2 compliance, okay? Once you do all those screenshots, right? Here's what's gonna happen. It's gonna break down all those negative accounts, right? Because now you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to know the laws. You don't have to know all the different violations. What you're gonna do is leverage artificial intelligence to do this, okay? This is how it's gonna work. Now, what's gonna happen is artificial intelligence is gonna find all the violations. It's gonna find all the laws broken. It's gonna find all the compliance. It's gonna find all the compliance, everything that is broken according to what we told it to do, right? And it's gonna find a lot of things that's wrong, which is gonna help you remove those accounts off your report, whether you owe the money or not, okay? So here, as you can see, it breaks down everything. Let's just go over a few, right? So number 1, key violations, FCRA and Metro 2. Number 1, date reported inconsistency. Now, the reason why this is important is because if you ever, let's just say, if an account is closed and the date is wrong, it's gonna stay on your report longer than what it needs to be, which if the account stays on longer, then that means, guess what? You can get approved for certain things, which is affecting your credit score. And consumer lawyers sue and win heavy with that, all right? So as you can see, another violation, 15 U.S.C. 1681. Number 3, date of last activity inconsistency, right? Paid collection reported improperly, right? Creditor name inconsistent, missing payment history, last payment, no close date reported, remark. So about 8 violations, okay? Now, the next prompt is gonna be very important, okay? The next prompt you're gonna do is tell it to do this. Now, act like a world-class dispute expert with 20 plus years and create a letter for Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax with the violations that will increase my chances to delete this account from my credit report, all right? Now, what's gonna happen is ChatGPT or whatever artificial intelligence that you're using, right, is gonna craft you a letter based on those violations to help increase your chances of getting those accounts removed from your report, all right? And then from there, what you're gonna do is, so as you can see, it crafted a letter, okay? Copy this letter, go over to Google Doc, Experian round 1, label it, and then you copy the letter. All right, so Experian TransUnion Equifax, the account being disputed, inconsistent, request to actually delete this account due to inconsistency, request to actually delete this due to inaccuracy, delete. We want to make sure request to actually delete due to improper, delete due to inconsistent, unverifiable, missing, final position, due to multiple violation, this account is incomplete. Under 15, I'm requesting to ensure maximum possible. Under 15 OC 1681 EBI, you are required to ensure maximum possible accuracy in conducting a reasonable investigation, right? Okay, and then from there, let me double check. I forgot this part. And then from here, please provide written confirmation of deletion. Sincerely, your name, okay? We want to get the account removed from your report. So make sure it's telling them to remove the account. We're not trying to fix it. We want the account to be removed, okay? And then just make sure, of course, you put your name, your address, today's date, all right? All that's important. And then from there, you're gonna download this letter and add 3 forms of identification, right? Driver's license, proof of residency, and then you can either add another picture of another proof of residency, you can add a passport, you can add your social security card, you wanna add 3, and then you're gonna send this letter certified to Experian, to TransUnion, to Equifax, all right? Now, that's how you're gonna get an unfair advantage to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. So make sure you go grab your hidden credit report and knock the credit bureaus out.